thing. Okay, this one it has ferment. Ó ó ṣe o ó ti pẹ́ tí wọ́n ti cover rẹ̀. Ìyẹn ti ferment gan. Hello guys, beautiful people, thank you for joining us. So I'm going to show you how I test my original honey. Okay, so this is my honey here. This is honey, this is original honey. So I'm going to show you how I test it, where I know say is original. Okay, so we are going to show, I'm going to show you the two way of testing original honey. So this is my matches here. So here we have water. This is my water inside this cup. So this is the one we are using in our house, original. Okay, this one too is original, it's the same thing. Okay, this one it has ferment. Ó ṣe o ó ti pẹ́ tí wọ́n ti cover rẹ̀. You see, this is original honey. Hey, ọwọ́ mi o. So I can even lick it. This is nice, confirm honey coming from farmer. You know, people who are doing hunter. So na dem bring am come for me. So if you have interest too, I can do it. This is drinking water. You see, this is original honey. You see the down, you see. So I want to show you the second way of testing original honey. Okay, so this is honey inside this plate. So I use this to rub the honey. So I'm going to light it. You see, this is original honey. Okay, so you see, this is original honey. Okay, so see the one we put inside this cup is still there. This is original honey. So honey, we use it for so many things. You can use it for cough or inside your tea, pap, use it to drink garri, different thing we use honey for. This is confirm original honey coming from farmers. How heavy o. It's heavy. So if you have interest, just contact our WhatsApp number. This is confirm honey. We have different type of honey, some black, some brown. And this is confirm honey. If you have interest, just contact our WhatsApp number. We have different sizes. If you need one of these or 2, 3, we have it. Thank you so much for watching. This is yummy. You can see some flies and wọ́n ti gbóòórùn rẹ̀. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share with your friend and family. If you have interest, just contact our WhatsApp number. We will get it for you. This is one of our viewers who order for it. If you have interest, we can get it for you. Wow. Èèyàn lè fi mu gàrí gan. Or pap, Tom Brown. Viewers, bye bye. Mo lè parí oyin yìí o. Bye. Clean it, bye. Everything will cup with you,